Hi, I am Bilal. Today we will be learning about state management and how to handle state in React projects. To better understand state management, we first need to grasp how data is passed between components at a basic level. While discussing state management, we will also cover what props are, how they work, and the disadvantages of using props like props drilling. Additionally, we will talk about the state management libraries as well. In this video, I will show you how to create a basic counter app from scratch using React.js hook useState. We will go through it step by step using simple code to make it easy to understand and avoid any confusion. First, I am going to use React hook useState. The useState hook is used to manage state within function components. So here you can see RAFCE, and I will add comma useState. useState useState is React.js hook to manage state functional components. So how it works? We have to make a const and counter comma set counter is equal to useState and counter value is equal to 0. How it works? It will make like this: counter value is equal to 0, but it will be the initial value of counter, or we can say that be before updating or update. After update, the value we will pass in set counter. Okay, so let's create component h3 counter value 0, or let's put counter, and let's get another div button increment. Now we will copy these buttons, decrement, and reset. You can say we have our three buttons here: increment, decrement, and reset. They are not working, but we will make them work by adding on click function handle increment. Same for decrement, on click handle decrement. Same for reset, on click handle reset. Save it. Now we got error because we have to add function here. Const handle increment is equal to, it will be add function, and copy these three: handle increment, handle decrement, and handle reset. What we are going to do, we are going to say the value of set counter will be counter plus 1. Same thing in the value of set counter, counter minus 1, and for the reset, the value of set counter, it needs to be 0, and saved. Now you can see increment, decrement works fine, and reset also works fine. Now we are going to create a component. In the components, let's create a component name counter, so we can make it reusable, RAFCE, and save it. Let's import it, import counter, and here in the bottom counter C, capital C. So now we need to make it reusable and put all the code in the counter. Control V, Control S, and save it. But we got error. These values are not defined yet because this is our parent component is not passing this data to this child component. So we have to send data through props. First we need to send counter using props, then we have to send the function handle increment, handle decrement, handle reset, and now we are sending our data in the shape of props. And here to import data in props, we are going to put here counter handle decrement, handle increment, handle reset. Save them, and now we can see our data. Increment works, decrement also works, and reset make it 0. So you can see here how it works.